Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to get right to it. In this first step, I'm going to take my vitamin C energizing face mist from the Body Shop, and then I'm going to take my vitamin E BB cream also from the Body Shop, and I'm going to use this as a base. I'm not a big fan of foundation, so I usually just use BB cream and concealers.
Deal right, that's a deal right, that's a bet right. That's a bet right, that's a deal right, that's a deal right. That's a bet right, that's a deal right, that's a deal right. That's a bet right, that's a deal right, that's a deal right.
Next step is to take my PRO.conceal LA Girl concealer in the color creamy beige to highlight. I'm going to use my fingers to blend this out because it warms up the product and makes it easier to blend and makes it look more natural. I'm going to look a little bit pale now, but then in the next step you're going to see how I make this look more like my skin tone.
You rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block.
Next, I'm going to take the PRO.conceal LA Girl concealer in the color Chestnut to contour.
Slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky. Come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot, in the yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale, everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well, need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best, wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
To set the creamy beige concealer, I'm going to use my Beige banana powder.
That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for real, down for line. Keep it super thorough my way on this side. Keep it super thorough my way on this side. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for real, down for line. Keep it super thorough my way.
And then to set the Chestnut concealer and to just blend everything out, I'm going to use the Revlon New Complexion powder in the color Toast.
Keep it real. Whether we East coastin' or we in the heaven hills. In the poppin' straps of blue faces, not the pills. Heard you callin' bluffs, I show and prove, yeah, it's for real. Son of God, not a son of Sam. Keep it off the books and keep it coming in. Bitch, the old whip, see what I'm coming in. The inside caramel just like 100 grand. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for real, down for life. Keep it super thorough my way on this side. Keep it super thorough my way on this side.
For blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Natural Luminous blush in the color Soft Mauve.
Super thorough my way on this side. Keep it super thorough my way on this side.
I did my brows off camera using the Revlon Colorstay gel pencil in the color Dark Chocolate, and using a fluffy brush I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Fergie shimmer palette in the color Rosé Champagne Glow, and I'm going to use this as a transition color only on the outer corner of my eyes.
Down to put it on the line when lose a draw with me. Those my brothers, different mothers, part of par with me. Got the Bonnie to my class, she break the law with me.
Using the same brush, I'm going to take this light blue color from the Wet n Wild I Got Good Jeans palette, and I'm going to use that also on the outer corner of my eye.
Way on this side, keep it super thorough my way on this side. Call my phone, hit my line. Only ones who down for real, down for life. Keep it super thorough my way on this side. Keep it super thorough my way on this side.
In the same palette, I'm picking up this dark blue color with a smaller brush, and I'm going to start building up the dark blue color on the outer corner of my eye. please just stick to the outer corner of the eye. I'm sure I've said that like 5 times already.
Came through drippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us Revlon.
Next, I'll take this Pro.conceal LA Girl Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. Using this flat brush, I'm going to just blend it out.
Like he happening. Core with it, just give them estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene.
I'm going to take this Essence eyeshadow single in the color Tiffany, and I'm going to apply it onto the concealer and sort of transition it into the blue.
Through the hand, got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it, know the season what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade, and I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through drippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be.
I'm going to use this NYX Mysterious Brown Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the green color and apply it directly on top of the silver eyeshadow, and this is going to give the green color a more metallic look, and that's what I'm looking for.
Like how black my skin is, scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the kitten. Way before the riches, nothing more to mention. I could light a block of powder or a glisten. Foreign on my body, that's Agora linen. I came through drippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us Revlon when I tell a bit peace.
Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up this blue color from the Beauty Treats 88 Professional palette, and I'm going to use this to blend in the line between the dark blue and the metallic green. Going back to the Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to pick up this yellow color, and I'm going to just use that to highlight the inner corner of my eyes.
Through drippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make.
I'm gonna pick up this Essence Metallic Chrome Blush just to further highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm gonna also use that to highlight my brow bone.
Love is love, adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he happening. Core with it, just give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Been Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping
I'm not sure what's wrong with me because I've got enough highlight on, but I guess I'm gonna take this Essence eyeshadow single in the color Tiffany, and I'm gonna apply that on the inner corners of my eyes.
Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need.
I've applied my eyelid Jordan lashes off camera, and I'm gonna take this blue eye pencil and I'm gonna apply that on my lower line. I'm not sure where it's from because the name has rubbed off, but I'm sure any blue eye pencil would work.
Make bitches, I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us Revlon when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Hold up.
Using the Essence Volume Mascara, I'm going to coat my bottom lashes.
Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like.
And then with the Fergie Wet n Wild Shimmer palette, I'm going to highlight my nose and the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my cheekbone.
That's a Gora linen. I came through tripping Aquafina. I'm 715, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell.
Okay, and then I'm going to highlight my inner corners of my eyes again. Ayanda, this is enough. Using the Essence Self-Contouring Lip Liner in the color Melt Your Heart, I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to take this NYX lipstick in the color Pumpkin Pie, and I'm going to apply that. Using this brush, I'm going to just blend in the liner into the lipstick. What I like about the NYX products is that they are cruelty free. Just saying.
I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let him hit.
I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Mineral Power Natural Luminous blush, and I'm going to set my lips with that.
Then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth in your bed with the right. Love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could it, I'm in.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell a reckless with the clauses, careful with it cost me. Need it forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. They cook the auction, they false print. Always read the shit with a caution. Hold the 10 toes down for the dogs, you can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. At the end of the candle, the wishes to myself, yummy fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Wrist thing and they rose gold and where to go from it. Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything.